Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel and turn on parental controls. Let's get into it. First, open YouTube in your browser and make sure you're signed in with a Google account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a Google account first. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, click on View Your Channel. If you haven't created a channel yet, YouTube will guide you through the steps. Just choose a name for the channel, confirm the details, and click Create. After your channel is set up, the next step is to enable parental controls. These are found under a feature called Restricted Mode. Click on your profile icon again and scroll down to the bottom of the drop-down menu. You'll see an option that says Restricted Mode. Click on that and a new window will open explaining how it works. To turn it on, just toggle the switch. Once it's on, YouTube will automatically try to filter out videos with adult themes, strong language, or anything that might not be suitable for younger viewers. Keep in mind that this setting only applies to the browser or device you're using. So if you want to keep it active across all devices, you'll need to enable it separately on each one. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.